Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, ang papag-usapan natin is the new feature of the BPI app. Receiving money gamit lang ang mobile number or email address. Wala nang hassle na kailangan pang ibigay yung account details mo. Stay tuned to find out how. First of all, why is this feature such a big deal? Kasi instead of giving your account number, yung mobile number or email address na lang ang ibibigay mo. Mas mabilis, mas secure, and mas convenient, especially if you're on the go or mabilis ang transaction lang ang kailangan. Ang kagandahan pa is that pwede mong gamitin sa ibang banks na kasama sa program. Pagka-login sa app, go to settings dito sa upper right and then scroll down. Under transactions, click link a mobile number or email address. Click nyo lang either link a mobile or email address. Dito tayo sa mobile number. Lalabas dito yung mobile number nyo. Input the nickname na gusto nyong ilagay. And then, select your account. Kung ano gusto nyo i-link sa mobile number nyo. And then, click continue. Double check the details. Continue. OTP. And there you go. Successfully linked na yung account natin to our mobile number. Take a screenshot if you want. Balik tayo, and then let's link an email address naman. Again, set a nickname and then select your account. Isang account lang ang pwede nyong i-link sa mobile or sa email address. Click confirm. Again, OTP. And there you have it. Successfully linked yung napili nyong account to your email address. Rename lang natin. Imbes na yung nickname is both Ray, gawin natin Ray Mobile and Ray Email. And there you have it. Now that you've linked your account to your mobile number and your email address, pwede na kayong mag-receive ng money from participating banks such as RCBC, Union Bank, Como, and others. For added security, each mobile number or email address can only be linked to one account. So you're in full control on where your money goes. So if something happens, hindi affected yung ibang accounts nyo. And there you have it, BPI's new feature makes receiving money easier and hassle-free. Sa ngayon, limited lang yung banks na pwede natin gamitan nitong feature. Hopefully in the future, mag-extend ito to the other major banks and e-wallets. If you haven't tried it yet, give it a go and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys, bye!